Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're diving into 15 viral TikTok food hacks that will revolutionize your kitchen game. From delicious vegan bacon to gourmet Oreos, these hacks are not only fun, but also super easy to make. Let's get started. Hack 1. Vegan carrot bacon. First up, we have vegan carrot bacon. Start by thinly slicing your carrots lengthwise into strips. In a bowl, mix together liquid smoke, maple syrup, onion powder, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Soak the carrot strips in this marinade for at least 30 minutes. Then, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius, and arrange the marinated carrots in a single layer. Air fry for about 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. Enjoy this smoky, savory treat as a topping for salads or sandwiches. Hack 2. One-pan egg sandwich. Next is the one-pan egg sandwich hack. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and crack 2 eggs into the pan. Gently scramble them until they're just about set. Now, take a slice of bread and place it right in the center of the eggs. Once the eggs are fully cooked, carefully flip the whole thing over to toast the bread on the other side. Voila! You've got an egg sandwich with minimal cleanup. Hack 3. Toaster quesadillas. Craving quesadillas but don't want to dirty a pan? Try toaster quesadillas. Take a tortilla and fill it with cheese and your favorite fillings like beans or veggies. Fold it in half and pop it into your toaster. Toast on medium for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is crispy. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Hack 4. Puff tortilla pockets. Create your own taco pockets by puffing up flour tortillas in your toaster. Simply place them in the toaster on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until they puff up nicely. Once they're done, fill them with your favorite taco ingredients like seasoned meat, cheese, lettuce, and salsa. These pockets make for a fun and easy meal. Hack 5. Ooey Gooey Cinnamon Rolls. Transform store-bought cinnamon rolls into ooey gooey delights. Preheat your oven according to package instructions. Place the rolls in a baking dish and pour heavy whipping cream over them before baking. The cream creates a rich and moist texture that will remind you of Cinnabon rolls when they come out of the oven. Hack 6. Frozen breakfast cereal. For a refreshing breakfast twist, freeze your cereal before adding milk. Pour your favorite cereal into a bowl or container and place it in the freezer for an hour. When you're ready to eat, add cold milk over the frozen cereal for an icy crunch that's perfect for hot mornings. Hack 7. 2-ingredient salad dressing. Need a quick salad dressing? Mix plain hummus with pickle brine for an easy and creamy dressing that packs flavor without extra ingredients. Just combine equal parts hummus and pickle brine in a small bowl and whisk until smooth. Drizzle over your salad for a tangy twist. Hack 8. Taco tortilla hack. This taco tortilla hack ensures every bite has the perfect mix of ingredients. Start with a tortilla on a flat surface. Cut from the edge to the center in 4 equal sections without cutting all the way through. Fill each section with different ingredients like meat, cheese, lettuce, and salsa, then fold it up like a fan for easy eating. Hack 9. Air fryer Oreos. Craving fair food? Coat Oreos in pancake batter for an air-fried treat. Dip each Oreo into pancake batter until fully coated, then place them in your air fryer basket. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. Let them cool slightly before enjoying this crispy delight. Hack 10. Nugget salad. Turn fast food into a shareable treat with this nugget salad hack. In an empty salad container or bowl, layer chicken nuggets, fries, and drizzle with your favorite dipping sauces like ranch or barbecue sauce. It's perfect for movie nights or game days. Hack 11. Wine bottle cork removal. No corkscrew? No problem. To open wine without one, place your wine bottle inside your shoe, make sure it's snug, and hit it against a wall gently. The pressure will push the cork out safely without breaking it. Hack 12. Hull strawberries with a straw. Save time prepping strawberries by hulling them with a straw. Take a reusable straw and push it through the bottom of the strawberry. It will pop out the green hull effortlessly. Quick prep for smoothies or desserts. Hack 13. Cloud bread. Make Instagram-worthy cloud bread using just 3 ingredients: egg whites, sugar and cornstarch. Whip egg whites until stiff peaks form, then gently fold in sugar and cornstarch until combined. Shape into rounds on parchment paper and bake at low heat until fluffy, perfect for low-carb diets. Hack 14. Ramen lasagna. Give your lasagna an Asian twist by swapping traditional noodles for cooked ramen noodles. Layer cooked ramen with marinara sauce and cheese in a baking dish. Repeat layers until full. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius until bubbly. It's an easy fusion dish that everyone will love. Hack 15. Bacon-wrapped pickles. Last but not least, bacon-wrapped pickles. Simply wrap dill pickles with bacon slices and secure them with toothpicks. Bake or air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius until crispy. These savory sour bites are perfect for parties or snacking. And there you have it. 15 viral TikTok food hacks that will change your culinary game forever. Which one are you excited to try first? If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fun recipes and tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your results using #TikTokFoodHacks in the comments below. We'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.